Hey guys, this is Dave and I'm in Marietta, Oklahoma. It's July 17th, 2018. It is 106 degrees today, so I thought I'd come down and do a video, and I'm sure it's been done on YouTube before, but it's the old Santa Fe Railroad Depot. It's right on the tracks. The Heartland Flyer, Amtrak Heartland Flyer comes through twice a day. This building dates back around 1909 or maybe even 1913. But it's all boarded up, abandoned looking. BNSF Railroad owns this land that it's on, so they have no interest in putting millions into this depot building. So basically, since they're not going to use it, so it's on the Historical Registry, and maybe one day somebody will start putting some moolah into it. Now, the old museum, the museum was in there at one time, and due to the ends of this building are flat, so they leak, and so a lot of the antiques were being destroyed, so they moved it to a metal building in town, and this thing's just been boarded up. So it's such a cool architecture on it, and I wonder if there's like a stove inside. The lady didn't tell me. I kind of asked her a lot of questions on it, as many as I could, but I don't think anybody's been into it for a long time, but I think that there's probably could be something salvageable inside. Like I said, they got the benches down at the museum. We have a museum called the Pioneer Museum, so if you're around Marietta, you need to come see it. Check out the hours. They're short each day, so, and like a lot of the old little town museums, but it's got some cool stuff in it. Marietta used to also really be pretty way back. They have a beautiful globe in there that they had street lights running down the road, these poles, and it had these beautiful glass globes. Can you imagine how long those would last now? But somebody saved one, and it's in there. But there's the front of it, so you can imagine pulling up. And I don't know if the Amtrak visitors can or passengers can see it now. That it goes so fast through here. I mean, it flies. I know my brother took the Amtrak from Oklahoma City and somewhere in Texas, and they went by and they noted that an old bank out in Texas somewhere where Bonnie and Clyde had robbed it. So, and I don't know if they mentioned anything about this old depot. To me, it's mentionable. But I don't know if I mentioned it on this. I've stopped and started this blog several times, but in that eBay auction where I found that postcard, now it didn't show it, the page was blanked out, but it said it had white waiting rooms and then colored waiting rooms inside this building. So that it shows you the date and time. I'm kind of walking down the side of the tracks right now, so, but here's how it would look if you're going by on train. And I'm sure the engineers and all that, if they have time to look out, the train employees enjoy seeing it. But I did a vlog on it the other day, but the Burlington Northern people were here working, and they had a lot of commotion going on. Then a freight train came through, and it was just way too loud. It wasn't the Amtrak. If it was just the Amtrak, it would have been there, here and gone in a second. But anyway, I hope you like this architecture. I certainly do, and I sure hope that something happens one day to where this building is preserved other than just letting it sit. So try to stay cool, guys. Old Santa Fe Depot in Marietta, Oklahoma. Come check it out, guys. Thanks.